Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay December 30, 2024, Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong December 30, 2024, Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong December 30, 2024, Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for December 30, 2024, Monday. Here is the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for December 30, 2024, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of December 30, 2024, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.